G'day! Need to keep your team informed without the paperwork pileup? Let's look at adding a comment to an allocated job in the job scheduler. This is the best way to share specific instructions with workers or keep private details just for the office, ensuring everyone knows exactly what's happening on site. First up, let's look at the admin scheduler comment. These are for admin eyes only. Simply right-click on an assigned job in any of the calendar views within GoSiteReady, select Edit Series, and pop your text into the admin scheduler comment box. Hit Save. And now that comment will appear whenever an admin hovers over that job. No dramas. Now, if you need to tell a worker something specific for a particular day, use the roster email comment. Right-click the schedule, choose Edit Occurrence, and type your message under Roster Schedule email comments. Admin will see a handy orange icon appear on the calendar so they know a comment has been applied. And when you send the roster, that comment goes straight to the worker's inbox. It's simple, fast, and keeps your communication organised. You've got this.